I'm Grete from Scandinavian today. In the Nordic countries we like to eat a lot of rye bread. Actually, I am used to eating rye bread every single day. And today I am making a delicious rye bread layer cake. It's an old-fashioned recipe actually, and I'm sure you'll also enjoy it. So let's get started. So I'm ready to make my Danish rye bread layer cake. First of all, I'm going to use 6 eggs. Then I have about 4 ounces of rye bread crumbs. Okay, and also I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda right here. Then I have about 9 ounces of sugar and about 4 ounces of chopped nuts. You can use walnuts or hazelnuts depending on what you have available. And then I have 3 baking forms here which are already buttered and floured. And the first step is to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. And I'm now going to beat the egg whites stiff. And when they're stiff, I add the sugar. Okay, so here is that. And the egg whites are nice and stiff, so I start adding the sugar. And here it's all finished. And I now add 1 egg yolk at the time. And I just added the breadcrumbs as well as the nuts, and of course the baking powder is also in here. And now I can add it to the baking forms, and I'll bake it at a degree of 425 for at least 10 minutes. So now I'm going to pour it into the baking forms. So divide it up into 3 baking forms, okay? So now I'm going to put the forms in the oven. The oven has been set at 425 and I'll bake them for 10 minutes each. So the cake has been baked and I'm now letting the 3 layers cool down before I put them together with the following ingredients: whipped cream as well as cherry jam and some chopped nuts. And on top I'm going to put whipped cream as well as chocolate chips. And I'm now spreading whipped cream on the first layer. And I am going to sprinkle a few nuts on here. Okay, and then I'll add some of the cherries. And then the next layer comes with the same ingredients. And of course, again, some whipped cream on here. And I can now add some chopped nuts. And of course you add as many as you like. And then some of the cherry jam is coming on here. And then I can put the final piece of cake on top. Spread out the whipped cream all over. And I squeezed out the last whipped cream on top, and then I'm sprinkling some of the chocolate on top as well. And it is going to taste so good. There's no doubt about that. Okay. And here we have a really nice slice, and I'm going to enjoy that. And I have to have a bite of it. It's nice. I like it. Goes well with coffee, of course. Hopefully you also enjoy it. If you have any suggestions concerning Nordic food, Scandinavian food, please let me know. I'd be so happy to hear from you. Skål, and take care. See you another day. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to our channel, because every week we publish traditional as well as modern Scandinavian recipes, and this will help you to celebrate special events as well as memories with family and friends. And we really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hope to see you another day. Take care. Skål.